morning. Good morning, dear students. Yes. How are you all? Hope you are all fine, right? Yes. Then let us start the class. Okay. Yes. What is the date today, children? Today the date is 25th August 2021. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday you have English daily you have, right? Yes. Let us see what is the thought for the day. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. Defeating is very easy. Someone you need to defeat, easily you can defeat. But to win them, it is really very hard. Yes, children? Yes. Then we completed first lesson, right? Yes, first lesson we completed. Now we will move on to the second lesson. Okay, what is the second lesson? The foolish fish. Okay, actually this is not a lesson, it is a poem. Okay, second poem. Second chapter we have poem. Okay, now take out your textbook, English textbook. Module 1 also we completed, right? Yes. Then now textbook. Okay, page number 9. Take out page number 9. Yes, what is this? The foolish fish. Okay. Listen and say aloud. You have to listen to me what I am telling and you also should say along with me. Okay? Yes. Word. Okay. Word then rhyming word. Okay. Word, rhyming word. Word, rhyming word. Yes, children. Now first word what we have? Fish. Rhyming word for fish, wish, W-I-S-H. Then see, yes, S-E-E-C, me. Okay. Then cried, C-R-I-E-D, cried. Then hide, H-I-D-E, hide. Okay. Then two. Then true. T-R-U-E, true. True. Okay, it is a rhyming word. Then look. Hook. H-O-O-K. Yes. Then trout. T-R-O-U-T. Trout. Then what is the rhyming word for that? Out. Okay. Yes. Fish, wish. See, me. Cried, hide. Do, true. Look, hook. Throat, out. Okay. Yes, children. Next we have warm up. Do you know what fish eat? Do you know what fish will eat? Yes, it might eat a small worm or small fishes. Big fishes, small fishes it will have. Yes, that is the food for that. Then, what does a fisherman catch? How does a fisherman catch fish? How he will catch fish? They will have a fishing net. Yes. Then or they will have a net, big net. Then they will put that and they will catch the fish. Yes, children? Yes. Let us read a poem about a little fish who did not listen to his mother and did something foolish. Yes. What this little fish did? He did not listen to her mother, what the mother fish told. The son fish did not listen and did something foolish. Let us see what is that. Okay, in this poem we will learn about the fish. Okay, reading the text, we will read it. Then I will explain after reading. Okay, children? Yes. Dear mother, said the little fish. What the fish is telling? Dear mother, is that a worm I see? What it is asking, is that a worm I see? Like that the fish is asking. I am very hungry and I wish. What it is telling? It is very hungry and it is wishing you would get the worm for me. Yes. What it is telling to mother? Mother, you go and bring that worm. Okay, to me. Okay, like that the fish is telling. Sweet fish, the mother cried. She is telling, sweet fish, oh sweet fish, like that it is telling mother. And started from her nook. See, this is nook. Okay, this is nook. Are you seeing, children? This is nook. Okay, so it started from the nook. That worm you see hide. Where? You are seeing the hook, right? In that hook the worm is there. Okay. The sharpness of a hook, and see the sharpness of the hook. See the sharpness of the hook's sharpness is there, right? But that fish is seeing only worm, but it is not seeing that sharpness. Okay, that only mother fish is telling. Okay. As I have heard the little trout. What is trout? See, this is called as trout. Okay, this is called as trout. Okay. I have heard the little trout was young and foolish too, and this trout fish was very young and very foolish also. Okay. And presently he still went out to learn what might be true. And then also saying this also, you should not go out also. What that fish did, trout fish, it went out to learn what is the true in that sea, okay, in the water. Around about the worm he played and gave it a hard long hook. What happened? Without asking, this trout fish went out, and what it did? It went and tried to eat that worm, right? Then what happened? The hook got stuck. Okay, when this fish is going to eat this sharp hook, no, we have here sharp. If it bites, that what happens? The hook is very sharp, so it gets stuck into the mouth of the fish. Yes. Then dear me, to himself he said, I am sure that there is no hook. Yes. And what it is telling? And dear me, to himself he is telling. He said, I am sure there is no hook. He is telling there is no hook only which can go and stuck in my mouth like that. That fish is telling, foolish fish. Okay. I think I will give one little bite. It is telling, I think I can give one little bite. I can put one bite like that. That fish is telling. Okay. And that was what he did. And again, what he said, that only he did. He again put his mouth in the hook. Okay. And thus he died, that little fish. Yes. Thus he died. Why? Because that hook is very sharp, right? If this go and stuck in this hook will go and stuck in the fish mouth, means what happens? It will get stuck and it will tear that mouth, right? It will tear the mouth. Then what happens? The fish may die, right? So that only happened to that fish. It died. But not doing as he was told. What he told, he did not do that. Okay, what we are telling, that fish is not listening. Wanted he go and done this work, so he died. That's why the mother is telling, don't do this. See, because of this foolishness only, the fish trout has been dead like that. Okay. Adapted from The Foolish Fish by Hannah and Jane Taylor. Yes. Who written this poem, children? By Hannah and Jane Taylor. Okay, they only wrote this poem. Okay, now let us discuss what kind of fish is mentioned in the poem. What kind of fish is mentioned in the poem? Trout. Yes, trout fish only, right? Yes, write down there, trout fish. Okay, right here, trout, T-R-O-U-T, trout, fish, F-I-S-H. Okay, can you see? Yes, complete it. Then, what did the fish see? What did the fish see? What it saw? Tell me, what did it see? See, is that a worm I see? Yes, here it is telling worm. What did it see? It saw worm. Okay. I'll write here, children. It saw a worm. W-O-R-M. Complete it now only, children. Then, what was the worm hiding? What was the worm hiding? Where it was hiding? Nearby the hook. Yes. Yes. See, that worm you see is there to hide a sharpness of hook. It is hidden in the sharpness of hook. Okay. Worm hiding. See, hiding in the sharpness of hook. Sharpness of Oak. Can you see, children? Yes, neatly you should write, children. I have to show I have written like this. You have to write neatly. Did the little fish try to eat the worm? Did it try to eat the worm? Yes, it tried. That's why it died. Yes. So you have to write yes. The little fish tried, okay, to eat that worm. Fish tried. Try. T-R-I-E-D. Sorry, I-E-D. Okay, try to eat the worm. Eat the worm. Can you see, children? Neatly? Can you see? Visible? Yes. Please write it now only, children. Okay? Complete it now only. Yes? Yes. Complete fastly. Yes. Okay. Are you understanding, children? Yes. What happened? That foolish fish? Yes. It without listening to her mother's words, it went and it tried to eat that one, and the hook stuck in the mouth. And what happened? Lastly, it is dead. Yes. So you should listen always your mother. Whatever your mother tells, it is for your good only. Okay. So always listen your parents' words, elders' words. Okay. Yes. Once again, we will revise the poem, children. Yes. Listen carefully and you also repeat along with me. Dear mother, said a little fish, is that a worm I see? I am very hungry and I wish you would get the worm for me. Okay. Sweet fish, the mother cried and started from her hook. That worm you see is there to hide the sharpness of a hook. As I have heard the little trout was young and foolish too, and presently he still went out to learn what might be true. Okay. Around about the worm he played, and he gave it a hard, long look. Okay. And dear me, to himself he said, I am sure there is no hook. I think I will give one little bite, and that was what he did. And thus he died, that little fish, but not doing as he was told. Yes, what he was told, like that fish didn't listen. Yes, children? Yes. So please, children, try to read this poem by heart, it step by paragraph wise. Okay. See, first paragraph try to come by heart. Then you go to second paragraph. Then third, fourth, fifth paragraph. Okay. All the 5 paragraphs you have to by heart and learn and keep it in your mind. Yes, children? Yes. You have to read this poem. Don't be very lazy. You have to complete. Okay. Yes. What you have to do? You have to read this poem. Okay. This is your homework. Then try to write these question and answers in the notebook. These question and answers. Just now I told now. Let us discuss question and answers. I have given answers also, right? That you should complete it in English CW book. Okay. Classwork book you have to complete it. Question and answer. Question, answer. Okay. Try to write it in the English notebook. Okay. Not in the textbook. Don't write in the textbook. Just I showed for you to write in the classwork. You have to write the answer in the classwork, right? That's why I have shown. Okay. You don't write in the textbook. You write it in the notebook, English notebook. Okay. And that is your homework. And reading this poem also is one homework. Keep that in your mind, children. You have to practice this poem without seeing. You need to tell. Okay. Okay. Try it. At least 2 paragraphs, 3 paragraphs, at least by heart. Okay. Yes. Then today, this is enough, children. In this class, this is enough. Then in next class, we will do word meaning, question answers, and we have read and answers. Then exercise 4 we have, yes, this and all. We will complete in the next class. Okay. Now, you have to by heart the poem. That is very important. Then write the homework, that is question and answers, in your English notebook. Okay. Are you clear? Yes. Then today, this is enough. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.